Hello everyone, this is Saint Shopper and I'm here again to review one more product and one more moisturizing cream that is also medicated kind of, brand which is so famous for its qualities for skin care products. So yes, this is a Cetaphil Dam Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion, and it's for all skin types actually. This is for all skin types. It will suit oily combination or dry according to them, not according to me. According to them, they claim that it is a all skin type moisturizer and 24-hour moisturizing for daily use, non greasy, non irritating, won't clog pores, and hypoallergic, allergenic, hypoallergenic. Okay, so this is it how this appears, and let's also see the backward thing. It has its contents, ingredients over there, and yes, I told you I used this particular moisturizer of Cetaphil when you know someone recommended me to try Cetaphil. Even they actually recommended me everything. You need to use everything of Cetaphil. Maybe if it's a cleanser, it should be Cetaphil. It should be a moisturizer is also must be from the Cetaphil brand. But I just tried only Cetaphil moisturizing cream because I heard a lot about this particular Cetaphil Dam moisturizer. I heard a lot actually from around everyone. So I thought, yeah, it's very impressive and let's try this. So I tried, but this is not at all that impressive actually because it does clog pores, it does irritating, and it is greasy. It is not actually not greasy, but yeah, I can say that it is irritating. It will clog your pores and it will bring out the worst skin conditions on your skin. If you are my skin type, I have like combination skin and very sensitive skin since 2 or 3 years because I have been facing some skin problems since 2 3 years. So that's why I'm jumping from one product to different product continuously to get my skin back. But this Cetaphil moisturizer also turned out to be no for me, and it is also very not affordable actually because it costs like 500 to 600 and it's not easy to you know buy for everyone. So that's the actually thing I felt about this Cetaphil because actually this is so uh, hyped moisturizer. I have heard different kind of people. Even I heard some of my male friends they recommended, but really this really disappointed me that a product that has a very great fan base and it didn't work out on my skin actually. And I still have some cream in it because I stopped using it after feeling bad and after see watching the efforts effects it does to my skin. It was really bad, and so yes, I will not recommend this actually I lastly I came to a common ground for these skincare products that actually nothing really works out when you have internal skin problems. You can use thousands of creams and of maybe which are very expensive and very acclaimed, you will still feel the need to be clean from inside and to get your body together and to be good from inside. So unless you are very you know healthy from inside, nothing will work out on your skin. Nothing will work out on your skin. Keep just if there's just one thing to keep your skin together, don't use different products and very frequently, and just cleanse and keep it moisturized, and that's it. maybe a BoroPlus will do good on your skin than this product. So yes, so please do share your own experiences with Cetaphil Dam Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion to help people and to guide them to buy the best for themselves and to let their skin breathe. So yes, and if you like the video and the review, and if you find the review genuine, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel. And yes,